Everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica, and on today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Walmart sample box. If you're not familiar with this, it comes out quarterly. While I'm cutting this open, I'm going to just talk a minute about why I don't have any makeup on my face. I'm filming this the day it posts. Today is 12/26. I'm hoping to get it posted today, to be honest. I'm hoping to get it posted today. If not, I'm sorry you're seeing it on a different day, but I am about to head out of the area. My husband and my younger son and I are going away for a couple of days after Christmas. And honestly, it is getting on a little bit late in the afternoon. We need to head out to get to our hotel. I am also, just a quick update on my 15 days of giveaways. I am going to be labeling all of the boxes today, and that is one of my goals, to get them out in the mail either today or tomorrow, hopefully today. If I don't get them out today, it's probably going to be Saturday. So if you were one of the winners, and yes, all the winners were selected, everybody got back to me. So if you were one of the winners and you were waiting on the tracking information, if you don't get it today, Thursday the 26th, then you should probably get it. If not the 28th, then within a couple of days. My post office isn't open all day long, and it's on Saturdays. It's just a big mess. So anyway, all the winners are selected. Everyone got back to me. My goal is to try to get everything mailed within the next few days, but it is a lot to get it all done. So yeah, they are coming. But if you guys were wondering about the winners, everybody was selected. Everybody got back to me, and those packages are coming out very, very soon. We're going to open the Walmart sample box today. Like I said, I don't have makeup on just because I have so much to do before I leave, and I need to leave like soon. Yeah, my day's getting away from me. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. If you're not familiar with this, it is $5. They do say it's a sample box. They say that the box is free, but they're charging you $5 for samples. Or I'm sorry, for shipping. $5 for shipping. So this says fall faves. Is this the fall box? I don't know. I've lost track of it, to be honest with you. This box used to be amazing, and then it kind of like fell off, and it's not doing terribly right now, but anyway, I'm afraid everything's going to start dropping. So I said it hasn't been doing terribly, but now I'm going to show you everything that's in here, and yeah. Okay, so I paid $5 for shipping. That's it. And there are... Oh no, there are 5 items in here. I was going to say there's only 4 items in here, but there are 5 items in here. So the first one is the Dove Dry Spray Antiperspirant, which I don't use antiperspirants. I use natural deodorants. So this is going to go in my giveaway drawer. One of you guys will get it in the future. We got this from Bic. It is the Soleil Sensitive Razor. And I actually have one of these in my shower right now. It is not my favorite because I do have sensitive skin, and this is not sensitive enough for my sensitive skin, if that makes sense. So I'm going to be putting this in my giveaway drawer as well. One of you guys will get it in a future giveaway. My skin is very sensitive, especially my underarms. That's why I don't use antiperspirants. I only use natural deodorants because my underarm skin is very, very sensitive. And this, for some reason, if I'm not careful, like I have to be really careful when shaving, I'll get a rash. So I don't think it's anything against this razor at all. It's just that I have very sensitive skin on my underarms. All right, the next item is this right here. This is from Neutrogena. It's the Blackhead Eliminating Strip to Scrub. So looks like there's one nose strip in here. You guys can see that. That's interesting. I'm going to have to give that a try. It's an innovative new strip that transforms with water into a scrub. It's a salicylic acid acne treatment. So I don't get a lot of acne on my nose, to be honest with you. So I don't know. We'll see. This next thing I'm actually kind of excited to try because it is lavender scented, and I do like lavender. This is the Jergens Body Butter Collection in a lavender scent. Let me see if it's got a safety seal on it. It does not. Smells nice. So I will definitely be using this for sure. It is just a Jergens lotion. I typically, if I'm using it for like hand lotion or something, I typically will use unscented. And for some reason, my camera is having a really hard time with focusing. Hopefully that'll kick in there. But yeah, I usually, if I'm using it for my hands, I use unscented. But this might be nice because like my like elbows and sometimes like my knees or my feet or so on and so forth might get a little bit dry during the winter. So yeah, either I'll use that or maybe someone else in my house will use that. So that's nice. And then there is an ad for that. And then the last item in here is from NYX. It is a NYX lingerie, lip lingerie, in the shade Silk Indulgence. It's a pretty shade. I'm gonna actually open this and swatch it. So it does just have a little ad for it as well. I think I only have one other of these in. Actually, before I open it, let me make sure that this is not the shade that I have, because I think I only have one other NYX lip lingerie. I can't get the words out today. Let me look real quick. Yes, in my collection I only have one of these. It is in the shade Ruffle Trim. So it is actually, I don't know if you guys even really care about the shade that I have, but it is deeper than the one that I'm about to open, which again is Silk Indulgent. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this and we'll go ahead and swatch it. I'm not gonna put it on. I mean, I know I don't have any lip products on, but I probably look really weird just having lipstick on with no other makeup on, right? I don't know. I used to just put mascara on. Like I wouldn't put any other makeup on at all, and then I would just put mascara on, because that's the way I did it. In fact, I think when I met my husband, that's probably what I did. I just had mascara on. Okay. Maybe I'll be able to get it open. This plastic is not wanting to come off, so. Okay, well, I got the top off, so let's do that. It doesn't have like a, ooh, that is an interesting shade. I'm not sure how that will look on my lips, but you know what this would be good for? This shade in particular, it's pretty, like a really bubblegummy pink. That would actually probably look nice like on top of a darker shade. So like if I did something like this Ruffle Trim and then put the Silk Indulgent shade just like on the center of my lips to lighten it up, I think that would look really pretty. Okay, so I don't remember how much a NYX lipstick is. I'm sure it's at least a couple of dollars. So I think just getting the lipstick probably is worth $5. I'm sorry, I'm ripping off the rest of the plastic. I'm sure that the deodorant is probably like $1. I'm sure you can get this in like their travel section. Same with the razor. I'm sure that's like $1 or $2. And then the Jergens body butter is probably another $1 or $2. But I think the lipstick is probably somewhere around $5 or $6 if I had to guess. Maybe a little bit more. NYX has a tendency to be a little bit more expensive than some other drugstore products. So yeah, do I think I got $5 worth of products in this? Yes, I do. I do. Even though I'm not going to use all of the products that I got, I think I got $5 worth of products. So is this a terrible box? No. Is it the best? No. For a couple of quarters there, like they sent nothing but foil packs, and I was like nothing but something like this. And that was really disappointing. But I think getting the razor, sorry, it's probably really crinkly in your guys' ear, the razor and the antiperspirant, even though I don't use that product, and then getting a lipstick, and like I said, even if it's not a shade that I would normally wear alone, I think it is a nice shade that I could wear over top of like a darker lipstick just to lighten it up a little bit. So anyway, if you won one of my 15 days of giveaways, be looking for that number here very, very soon, your tracking number very, very soon. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up down below. I'm planning on filming a get ready with me when I get back from my trip to talk a little bit about like my thumb, and I got a scratch on my face from my dog. Christmas was an interesting couple of days, to be honest with you. So be on the lookout for my get ready with me using beauty box makeup. It should be coming in a couple of days, and I plan on talking all about my Christmas this year. It was interesting. So anyway, hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already, and the little bell, and leave any comments in the comment section down below. What do you guys think of the $5 sample box from Walmart? It is a quarterly box. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye!